In front of me is VIVO X300 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Password Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on this section called Google. Now tap on All Services. Scroll again and click on Autofill with Google over here. Now select Google Password Manager and click on Add Password. If you can't see it, don't worry, it's only because you never added one before. At least one needs to be added for them to be accessible to add manually in Settings. So to fix it, hit Settings at the bottom right corner and make sure Offer to Save Passwords is on. Then leave Settings opened in the background and log in into any website or any app that requires an account. Wait for the pop-up and select Save at the bottom right corner. Over here. Once you're done, go back to Settings and tap on Google Password Manager again. As you can see, my password was successfully added, and with it, Add Password option is available. So now let's click on it and add one manually. At the top, you can type in any website or click Select App to click on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after a few seconds, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!